here is Tina again. This video, I actually thought very hard about the title. What is a good title for this video? This video is trying to be familiar with the usage of request.getParameter, and this API or this method is used to grab information from HTML form you submitted, either using post or using get, which means that the query string, okay, the URL query string key value pair, or using a form to submit which information is in the body, okay. Actually, if you already if you watched my web container demo, you should be familiar with this API. Okay, it's the same. Let's go to our code. Okay, I already have a structure set up, so save our time. Okay, and index.html, I already copied a form from W36 school. Okay, this is a form I copied from there, but I don't have any action, and I don't have others. Okay, just have a first name last name form. And here I will create a servlet to handle this form. Okay, use a servlet. Okay, and we will extend from HTTP servlet. Cannot find this. You can find it now. I think it's this one. This one. Hover. No. Okay. I think the dependency hasn't been loaded. Okay. Now it should be fine. It's here. Import class, right? And then we will have this one called web servlet called /user. How about that? Since it's called user servlet. And we will do a demo which will do get, and the other one is also do post. We will override two, so we don't need to write multiple servlets to demo this one. Okay, in a do get, we will just response dot set count type, just using text plain. Okay, because the browser can handle text plain. And here we will say print writer out equals resp response dot get writer, and we will just output the two values. Okay, so first one is what? First one is first name. My neighbor is I have a very good neighbor, and she moved out the house. She went bankrupt, and the house goes to the bank, and now some guy which is buy a cheap house, then remodel, then sell in a high price, and someone is recently, it's been one and a half months, they are remodeling entire my neighbor's house. So you may hear some background noise. Okay, request.getParameter, and here what is the key? The key, you have to go back to our form and take a look at the value of a name attribute. Okay, don't take a look at ID. ID is not used for that. Okay, ID has nothing related to request.getParameter. You have to look at the name attribute. What's the value? Okay, let me change. Okay, it's using first name and the last name, so differentiate. It's not the F name and the L name. It's this one, first name, and right, and there's another one is the last name. Okay, using these two. Okay, this four is matched to ID. When I click this one, the cursor will hover to this text. And the same thing for this one, out.print line last name and plus as request.getParameter and Control V. Okay, and we will do exactly the same thing here, but let's have something different. Okay, in do get method. Okay, and here we were using in do post method. Post method. And now we have our servlet done. We have to go back to our index.html to have action, right? Because action, okay, like the movie starts action. Okay, the action here is actually a slash by default, because for HTML form by default it will send the request, send the form to the exactly same URL which comes to this form. Okay, but action here we are using user. Okay, and the method first we were using do get. Okay, get, and later on we were using a post. You will see no difference. Both of them can to retrieve the value, both of them are using the same way, request.getParameter. So now let's configure our Tomcat and configure here startup. Okay, good. Startup. Hope everything works, right? Oh, the beta is make two form. One is get, one is post. Okay, deploy, and let me open a new browser because my Chrome is doing something else. Okay, this is URL. You can see first name and last name. First name Tina, last name XING, which is my name. Okay, and then let's submit. And the first one is a get request. Okay, get request, submit. Okay, obviously the Tina and XING is displayed correctly, and where are those information being passed to our server side is through the URL. Take a look at it here. Can you see this one, the query string /user question mark first name last name? This is the get request, which means when we make a get request, the URL is like this way. This is URL. I can't. The comment is not like this way. The comment is like this. Like this way. Oh, haven't read a code for a long time. This is the get request for this one made, because as a get request, there's no request body. All the information in the form is gonna become a query string. Okay, now let's make a post request. Okay, and here we were using something else. Okay, user, but here using post. Okay, and here we're using f name, and here we're using l name, and here we were using first name. Control C, first name. Okay, here we're using last name, and here because here's complaining we have the same. Okay, last name. Okay, sorry. Okay, and now I have to change my server side a little bit. Okay, then here has to be f name, otherwise doesn't work. Okay, l name. You can try by yourself. I don't want to demo you. Okay, in post and get. Okay, this is the URL, and this one the URL gonna be like this without this part, because when we're using post those information gonna be in the request body. Okay. If you still don't understand, I suggest you go back to take a look at create our own container. There's one video talks about request, get a request, and post a request. Okay. Now let's redeploy. In one HTML page, in one page, you can have multiple forms, but you cannot have nested forms. One form is fine. Okay, two form, right? 1 and 2. And here I will say Tina xing. Okay, you will see the URL. This is the get request. Now let's go back to a post request. Okay, post request comes. Okay, here let's using my Chinese name Rujuan. Okay, and the last name is also xing. Okay, submit. You will see in do post, and we still get the name, right? And here in our URL, see here, /user, there's no query string because post, all the information is in the body. And let me show you another thing for the post. If I refresh this one, okay, because post is not idempotent. When we do a post, if I click send, okay, the protocol specification, when we click send, it will actually save the user again. So you will have two Rujuan and Xin on the server side. See here, because post is not idempotent, but get doesn't have this warning. If I using get and refresh, because it's retrieving information, but for secure information, don't using get. Because get has this problem, everything is visible, and the data has a limit, and also others. I think I have video talked about get and post. You can go and watch it. Okay, so let's summarize. When we're using request.getParameter, you can retrieve post information, it can retrieve get information, and you have to give the key. Okay, and remember this key here is the value of a name attribute. Okay, it's not related to ID. Okay. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and the source code you can find in the video description, and it's in my GitHub. And that's it. Bye bye.